Clear for takeoff, 18. Clear for
Experienced pilots guiding the students or junior pilots. The sources mention a trainee pilot, a SIF butt, as an example of someone being guided. And when students have successful takeoffs, successful landings, that success is praised. It builds confidence, which is so important when you're learning something this complex. That supportive environment is really key.
It sounds like quite an experience. The sources describe it as great fun, very amazing, this blend of technology and, well, nature.
Exactly. It's a great combination. And connecting this to the bigger picture, this kind of training opens doors. For example, the idea of promoting tourism using air safaris.
Air safaris.
Yeah, places like Pakistan, using small aircraft to showcase beautiful areas, culturally significant sites, specifically mentioning prominent places. It shows how these fundamental flying skills can lead to new ways of exploring and connecting with the world.
Wow. Okay, so we've gone from the specifics of the Cessna 172, the hands-on flying, the instruments, safety, mentorship, right through to using these skills for something like air tourism. You really do get a glimpse into acquiring a very hands-on, very involved skill.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? Seeing how technology and nature, or maybe technology and direct experience, blend so well in flight training and this air tourism idea, where else could we apply that? Using complex skills in such a direct, hands-on way to connect people more profoundly with their world.
Yeah.
Something to ponder.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're really getting into the world of flight training. We've got some sources here, and our mission is to quickly get to grips with what it takes to become a pilot, even if you've never been near a cockpit before.
Absolutely. And the real star here, based on our sources, is the Cessna 172. We'll explore how learning to fly this specific plane is this amazing mix of practical skill, tech, and that critical thinking you need in aviation.
Okay, right, let's unpack that. The Cessna 172, also called the Skyhawk, or sometimes just C-172, it keeps coming up as the main training aircraft. It's a 4-seater usually, sometimes 5 people can fit, apparently, and it's got that high wing design.
Yeah, that high wing is key. And what's really interesting is why it's so perfect for training. You've got a 160 horsepower engine, cruises around 100 nautical miles per hour, so it's stable, predictable, doesn't overwhelm you as a learner.
And it glides, I saw that mentioned.
It does. It has this ability to glide for a while if the engine were to quit, which obviously is a huge safety factor. Gives you time. It's a built-in buffer, really.
Yeah.
And it uses low lead fuel, like 92 or 90.